Okay, today's video, money ideas, how to make money on TikTok in 2023, featuring Khaby. Agenda. In today's video, we're talking about Khaby. So let's get into this video. So Khaby, he has 153 million followers on TikTok, 2.5 billion likes, and a net worth of $15 million, approximately. So his timeline. In March 2020, he was laid off from his factory job due to COVID-19. In 2020, he began posting TikTok videos in his free time. By April 2021, he had amassed 10 million followers with his duet and stitch video responses to everyday life hacks. He became the most followed TikToker by June 2022. How he makes his money. 1 is collaborations. Hugo Boss signed a multi-year partnership with him, and he made $450,000 just for the Milan Fashion Week appearance and for his promotions online. Sponsored posts. An unspecified Hollywood studio pays him approximately $750,000 per TikTok video. Brand deals. He signed a number of different brand deals with various companies. Some of the likes would include Netflix, Xbox, Amazon Prime, Binance, and Meta. The TikTok Creator Fund. It's a monetary fund for creators with a unique payout structure based on views and engagement, which he obviously receives due to the mass amount of followers he's got and the mass amount of views he gets per TikTok video. He has some merchandise, which includes t-shirts and hoodies with his face and his expression with his 2 hands out, which I think he's removed since, but this was one of the things he was also selling at one point in time. So merchandise was also included. Now, Khaby's earnings from TikTok and Instagram for 2022 is estimated about $1 million per month, according to his manager. The key takeaway here is this. Humor is lucrative if you can make people laugh and align it with something to sell. So obviously, like with the humor that he does, he's amassed a big following. He's got a large audience, and he himself doesn't necessarily sell anything, but with these brand partnerships and collaborations and associations, he promotes other people's products and services or businesses and brands. And as a result, he's able to convert all those people who are in his audience to purchasing or taking notice of a product or service or a brand that he recommends in this content. So you can do a similar thing for yourself. If you're a humorous person, or even if you're not a humorous person, if you can find some way to use a bit of humor in the things you do online, then you can start building up an audience, start building up a following as well, because humor is one of the best ways to attract a lot of people. It's easy for people to like and follow you if you're sharing like funny stuff, if you're sharing like humorous stuff, because it's easy for people to relate to. It's nothing too serious. So if you're trying to create a business online or you're trying to make money online, if you can find a way to share humorous stuff online, build up an audience and start, aligning that with something to sell in the back end. So if you've got, for example, you create your own merchandise, whether that be t-shirts, hats, whether that be notepads, or whether that be an actual genuine product or service that you can create that solves a problem. If you can align that with some humor in some way, shape or form by, sharing funny posts, sharing funny, pictures and videos and GIFs and so on, then you can potentially make some money and do similar, use a similar business model as, Khaby is used. So the action steps for today's video are: 1, if you haven't already done it, go and create a TikTok account so that you can start, following this same business model. Design it, start adding your own, personalization to it, fill it in, put pictures, put videos, put, text about yourself, bio, links, fill out as much as you can, introduce yourself on it, do reels, so on, do the whole lot. Post a funny video daily. Now, you might not be sure what is going to be funny in the beginning, but we're just trying to follow Khaby Lami's methodology in the beginning. So if you can post something funny, try different things and test out the waters there, try some, funny things that you've seen other people do, replicate their things and see which one works. Check the data and see, what ones are getting the most views for yourself. You can try doing reactions. You can try doing, um, similar things like, other, comedy people have done on TikTok. Follow them and see what results you get for yourself. Okay, so sell something. So now, like, let's say you've done this, you've created the account, you've designed it, you've filled it out, you start posting a funny video daily, even if you don't think it's funny, and you're checking the data and analytics. Now, I want you to start selling something, in the beginning, you might think, what can I sell? Just start off with some basic stuff. Start off with like a t-shirt or a hat. Start off with merchandise. You can go into different websites that will allow you to, fling on a picture of yourself if you needed to, onto a cup, onto a hat, onto a, t-shirt. See if people will start buying that, start promoting it through your content, share links to it, create a website and a one page where people can purchase it, put a price on that product that you're selling, and see if you can start getting people to start buying something from you, even if it's at a cheap price in the beginning. It might not be funny to you, but it might be funny to others. You might be surprised when you start sharing some funny videos or funny content online. You might not actually think it's that funny yourself, but other people might find it hilarious. But we're just trying to follow this methodology of Khaby, so just test the waters out here. And as usual, like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment below, and I'll give you my 2 cents.